Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, cruise control, USB connection, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, reading lights, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, rear air. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.